Hello children, welcome back to my channel. I'm now dealing with 6th class maths, areas, perimeter and area, exercise 10.2. In the earlier video, I have done up to 7 problems. Now I am doing 8th problem. It deals with two fields have the same perimeter, have the same perimeter. It goes on like this. Let me read the sum, children. Two fields have the same perimeter. One is a square of side 72 meters and another one is a rectangle of length 80 meters. Means two fields are there. One is in the form of square, another one is in the form of rectangle, and there the square side is 72 meters and length of the rectangle is given as 80 meters. Which field has greater area and by how much? The question is which field's area is more and by how much. So first, to know the area, you should know the sides for a square, and for a rectangle you need to know length and breadth. But in this problem for rectangle you have got only length. Now we need to find out breadth. How to find out the breadth? Here you have two figures, children. One is a square. Let me call it as ABCD. And second one is a rectangle PQRS. Then what did they say? The square has got side as 72 meters and length is 80 meters. So we don't know breadth. Breadth, let it be x meters. What did they say? Perimeter of ABCD is equal to perimeter of PQRS. Two fields have same perimeter. So perimeter of ABCD is a square, that is 4 into side 72 is equal to perimeter of PQRS. It is perimeter of a rectangle 2 into L plus B. That means I can say that L plus B is equal to 4 into 72 by 2. When you bring this 2 here, division, 2 1s are 2 2s are. So L plus B is 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 144. And in this, we have got length as 80. 80 plus B is equal to 144. So what is B? 144 minus 80. That means from 144, if you subtract 80, 4 here, 6 here. So B is 64 meters. Breadth you have got 64 meters. So now we need to find out what is the question. Which field has greater area? So we need to find out areas of square as well as area of rectangle. So let us see area of ABCD. What is area of ABCD? 72 into 72, side into side. So 72 into 72, 2 to the 4, 2 7 the 14, 2 7 the 14, 7 7 the 49, 50. So how much you are getting? 4, 8, 1, 5. 5184 square meters is the area of ABCD. Now, area of PQRS is length into breadth. What is length? You have got 64 meters. Breadth, length is 80 meters. Length is 80 meters. Breadth is 64 meters. 0, 8 4s are 32, 8 6 are 48, 49, 50, 51, 5120 square meters. So tell me which is having more. The question is which field has greater area and by how much. So which is having area of ABCD is greater than area of PQRS. That means square field has greater area. So how much? How will you find out? 5184 minus 5120. That means how much you are getting? 64. It has greater area by 64 square meters. This is the answer, children. Square field has greater area by 64 square meters. Please note it down. This is 8th sum. Now we will see 9th problem. The area of square is 49 square centimeters. The area of a square is 49 square centimeters. Let me read the sum, children. The area of a square is 49 square centimeters. A rectangle has the same perimeter as the square. Just like earlier problem, even the rectangle is having whatever is the perimeter, that square is having same perimeter it is having. If the length of the rectangle is 9.3 meters. Okay, 9.3 centimeters. What is its breadth? You need to find out breadth and also find which has greater area. This is almost same to that of the previous problem, children. You have got a square ABCD and a rectangle PQRS. Now they have given area of ABCD is equal to 49 square centimeters. That means what is area? Area means side into side. That is AB into AB. Any side you can take is 49. So what is AB, children? Root of 49. That means 7 centimeters. Each side is 7 centimeters. Now for the rectangle has the same perimeter. If the length of the rectangle is 9.3 centimeters, the question is what is breadth? This is how much they are asking. Area, first we need to find out. See, what did they say? Both of them are having same perimeter. So let us find out what is perimeter of ABCD. It is a square, no? 4 into AB side. That is 4 into 7, 28 centimeters is the perimeter. So, perimeter of ABCD is equal to perimeter of PQRS. Perimeter of ABCD is 28 is equal to 2 into length 9.3 plus breadth x. So 9.3 plus x is 28 by 2, that is 14. When 9.3 plus x is equal to 14, what is x? 14 minus 9.3. So from 14, if you subtract 9.3, 0 here, so 7 you will be getting, then 4.7. You have got x is equal to 4.7. Therefore, breadth is equal to 4.7 centimeters is the first answer. Now, first one is breadth. Now they are asking which has got more area. We know already area of square is 49 square centimeters. So find out what is area of PQRS is equal to length into breadth. Length is 9.3 into breadth is 4.7. So let us multiply it. 9.3 into 4.7. 7 3s are 21. 7 9s are 63. 65. 4 3s are 12. 36 1. 37. So 1 here. 7 here. 13 4. So 2 digits. 43.71 square centimeters. So which is more? Area of square is more. The question here is also find which has greater area. See, area of ABCD is equal to 49 square centimeters. So area of PQRS is 43.7 centimeters. Therefore, square has more area. You can say it. So two answers, children. One is breadth, how much they are asking, you have written, and this is another answer. 2 bits are there in it. I hope I am clear, children. Please note it down. This is 9th sum. Now we will see 10th sum. Now 10th sum. Rahul owns a rectangular field. Rahul owns a rectangular field. It goes on like this. Let me read the sum. Rahul owns a rectangular field of length 400 meters and breadth 200 meters. His friend Ramu owns a square field of length 300 meters. Find the cost of fencing the two fields at 150 rupees per meter. If one tree can be planted in the area of 10 square meters, who can plant more trees in the field and how many more trees can be planted? So, can he plant? This is the question, children. You have got two people. One is Rahul and another one is Ramu. So, what is the uh, field of Rahul? Let us say this. A, B, C, D. This is Rahul's field. In this, what did they say? Rahul owns a rectangular field of length 400 meters and breadth 200 meters. And his friend Ramu owns a square field. So, another field which is a square. already I have written ABCD, so I'll write PQRS. PQRS. This is owned by Ramu. Okay. In this, what did they say? Ramu owns a square field of length 300 meters. Now the question is, you have to find out cost of a fencing. Fencing means you should know the surroundings. That means you have to find out perimeter. First you have to find out perimeter of ABCD. It is a rectangle. So 2 into L plus B, 2 into 400 plus 200, 2 into 600, 1200 meters is perimeter of ABCD. So now you find out what is perimeter of PQRS. It is a square, so it is 4 into 300, 4 into side, that is 1200 meters. See, both of them have got same meters, same measure. Now, cost of fencing. What is cost of fencing? Rupees 150 per meter. Therefore, cost, total cost, I'll say. Total cost will be for 1 meter 150 rupees means what is the total cost? Total cost is 1200 into 150. So 3 zeros, 15 twos are 30, 15 ones are 15, 3 18, 1,80,000. So cost of a fencing for square and cost of a fencing for rectangle means cost of fencing for Rahul is equal to cost of fencing for Ramu, that is equal to how much? 1,80,000 rupees. Rupees 1,80,000. This is the answer for the first bit, children. Next, what are they saying? They wanted to plant it. It is a provision is given for that. One tree can be planted in 10 square meter area. That means we need to find out first area of ABCD. Area of ABCD is L into B, that is equal to 400 into 200, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 4s are 8. 80,000 square meters. Now, area of ABCD is equal to 300 into 300, 3 3s are 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 9,000 square meters. So, you have got areas of, ABCD I have already done. This is, sorry children, this is PQRS. PQRS is 9,000. Now, what is the question? The question says, this is 10th problem. If one tree can be planted in 10 square meter area. So, what is the caution that they have given? One tree can be planted in 10 square meter area. So, let us see number of trees in ABCD field is nothing but How much one tree? See, one tree for 10 square meter area means for 80,000 square meter area, how much? How will you get? 80,000 by 10. That means 8,000 plants can be planted in uh, number of trees in ABCD is 8,000. Again, number of trees in PQRS again 90,000 by 10. Same way children, 0 0 will get cancelled. That is 9,000 plants. That means what children? Here in square field, more plants can be planted than in rectangular field. Now, how many more trees can he plant? If one tree can be planted in an area of 10 square meters, let me read the sum again. If one tree can be planted in an area of 10 square meter, who can plant more trees in his field, and how many more trees he can plant? So who can plant more trees? PQRS, that is Ramu can plant more trees by how many? 9,000 minus 8,000 by 1,000. 1,000 trees can be extra more there he can plant. Or you can even say, you can write it here as Ramu can plant more trees. So number of more trees is equal to 1,000. Even in this way, you can write the answer children, whichever you feel easy. So please go through it. It is 10th problem children. Now 11th sum children. Length of a rectangular floor is 20 meters more than its breadth. If the perimeter is 280 meters, what is its length? Let us take A, B, C, D is the rectangle. This becomes length, this becomes breadth. Length is 20 meters more than its breadth means let breadth is equal to x meters. So I am considering this as x meters. Then according to problem, length is equal to 20 meters more than breadth, x plus 20 meters. So this is x plus 20 meters. Now they have given perimeter. How much is perimeter? 280 meters. So let us continue our sum. What is the formula for perimeter? 2 into, therefore 2 into L plus B is equal to 280. That means L plus B is equal to 280 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 4s are 0. So L plus B is 140. Now, what is length? X plus 20 plus breadth is x is 140. 2x plus 20 is 140. What is 2x? 140 minus 20. 2x is 120. So what is x? 120 by 2. 2 ones are 2 6 are. X is equal to 60 meters. What is x? X is breadth. Now the question is, what is length? So length is equal to x plus 20 meters, that is equal to 60 plus 20 meters, that is 80 meters is the answer for length, children. I hope I am clear. Please copy it. Now we will see the 12th sum. Now 12th sum is a rectangular plot . 12th sum, a rectangular plot. It goes on like this. Let me read. A rectangular plot of land is 240 meters by 200 meters. That means length is 240 meters, breadth is 200 meters. The cost of fencing per meter is 30 rupees. What is the cost of fencing? The entire land. Fencing means what? You have to go for perimeter. So there is a rectangular field A, B, C, D. Now here, what did they say? Length is 240 meters and breadth is 200 meters. Then what else they have given? Cost of fencing. Cost of fencing is rupees 30. So what is cost of fencing means? First you have to find out perimeter. Perimeter is 2 into L plus B. 2 into 240 plus 200. 2 into 440. That means 880 meters is the perimeter. So you need to find out what is cost of fencing. Cost of fencing is 880 meters into 30 because this is cost of fencing is rupees 30 per meter. For 1 meter 30 rupees. 880 meters how much? 0, 0, 3 8 are 24, 24, 26. So cost of fencing is rupees 26,400 is the answer for this problem, children. Please copy it. Now 13th one. The side of a square field is 120 meters. The side of a square field is 120 meters. It goes on like this. Let me read. The side of a square field is 120 meters. Cost of preparing a grass lawn is 35 rupees per square meter. Lawn, that means the entire land, that means area you have to find out. How much will it cost if the entire field is converted into land? So what is the cost you have to find out? So there is a square field. A, B, C, D. Square field. What did they say? The side of a square field is 120 meters. And cost of grassland. Cost of grass lawn is rupees 35 per square meter. So first let us find out what is area of ABCD. This is side into side. That is 12 12s are, we know, 144,000 square meters. So what is cost of grass lawn for entire A, B, C, D? Is nothing but 14400 into 35. So let us see, 14400 into 35. 0 0 5 4s are 20, 22 5 1s are 5 to 7, 0 0 3 4s are 12, 3 4s are 12, 1 13, 3 1s are 3, 1 4, 0 0 0 4 10 5. This is 5 lakh 4,000 rupees. This is the cost for that land, that lawn, children. Please copy it. This is 13th one. Now we will see 14th one. What will happen to the area of rectangle if first bit its length is, if its length and breadth are doubled? This is one question. And second question, length is doubled and breadth is tripled. Breadth is tripled. These are the two bits. One by one we will be doing. First one, let length L is equal to x meters and breadth B is equal to y meters. What is the area? Area will be L into B, that is xy square meters. On doubling length and breadth, what is length now? Length is equal to doubling means you are multiplying, that is 2L meters, and breadth is 2 into B, 2B meters. So what is area? Area is 2L into 2B, that is 4. L here we have taken as x. I'll write 2L into 2B, that is 2x into 2y. That means 4xy. That means what? Earlier it was xy, now 4xy. So what is the area? What will happen to the area? Area will be 4 times of original area. This is the answer for the first bit, children. Now, second bit. What is the second bit? They said length is doubled. Therefore, L is equal to 2x. What is breadth? Breadth is tripled. Therefore, B is equal to 3y. Tripled means 3 times. So what is area? Area is equal to L into B, that is equal to 2x into 3y, that is equal to 6xy. So in this case, what will be the area? Area will be 6 times to the original area. This is the answer, children, for this problem, that is 14th one. Now 15th one. 15th one. What will happen to the area of a square, if, here first, if its side is, first bit doubled and second bit halved, that means reduced to half. Let the side of square is equal to x meters. On doubling, so first let us see what is the area. Its area is equal to x into x square meters. Now on doubling the side, what is side? Side will be equal to 2x meters. So what is its area? 2x into 2x, that is equal to 4x square meters. So here x square meters, here 4x square. Therefore, area will be 4 times to the original area. This is the answer for the first bit, children. And second bit halved. So side is halved. Side is halved. When it is halved, then side is equal to x by 2. You are making it as half. Half means x by 2. So what is the area? X by 2 into x by 2, that is x square by 4. This can be written as 1 by 4 x square. Therefore, area will be 1 by 4 of the original area. So this is the answer for this second bit of 15th problem, children. Please note it down. Now, with this, I am concluding my topic. This chapter also is completed. We will start with a fresh topic in the next class.